How are you everyone? Today we are going to understand about entropy of mixing. In thermodynamics, the entropy of mixing is the increase in the total entropy when several initially separate systems of different composition, each in a thermodynamic state of initial equilibrium, are mixed without chemical reaction by the thermodynamic operation of removal of impermeable partition between them, followed by a time for establishment of a new thermodynamic state of initial equilibrium in the new unpartitioned closed system. In simple words, suppose that we have mixed two gases. You can say neon or argon or hydrogen or oxygen. So in mixing them we don't need any chemical reaction. If we don't need chemical reaction, so it means we don't do some extra work. So suppose that in a vessel we have both gases. Now we will only mix them, like we mix any two things between them without adding another thing or removing anything from the current or present composition. Now suppose that N1 mole of an ideal gas initially present at pressure P and N2 mole of another ideal gas also at the same initial pressure P are mixed at constant temperature, so that total pressure is also P. It means the final pressure will be equal to the initial pressure of both compositions, but the pressure of both compositions should be same. It is possible by using a vessel of suitable volume. It means volume, it also depend on the volume. Now let partial pressure of first gas be P1 and partial pressure of second gas be P2. Then entropy change will delta S1 equal N1R natural log P upon P1. Similarly for other gas, delta S2 equal N2R natural log P upon P2. Now total entropy of mixing, delta S mix equal delta S1 plus delta S2 equal, you can also say N1R natural log P upon P1 plus N2R natural log P upon P2. And from here I think you know that if the mole fraction of gas in mixture are x1 and x2 respectively, then according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, P1 equal x1 P. So delta S mix equal N1R natural log P upon x1 P plus N2R natural log P upon x2 P. From here P and P will cut each divide with each other, and also here. So we get this equation without the P. Here if we remove natural log and want to write log, so we need 2.303 in place of natural log and also the log. So we get this equation, and from here we took r as common, so minus 2.303 r bracket n1 log x1 plus n2 log x2. There was 1 upon x2 and 1 upon x1, per what here is x1 and x2, so it means to remove 1 upon x1 and to write x1 we have taken minus sign as common. I think you have learned it very well in the log system. Now if we know n1 and n2, then we can easily calculate the delta S mix. It means entropy of mixing. So the mole fraction x1 and x2 are less than 1, since x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. As a result of this, log 1 by x and log 1 by x2 are positive, so delta S mix, it means the entropy of mixing is positive. It means now let us see its one example. Calculate entropy of mixing of 1 mole of H2 with 2 mole of O2, assuming that no chemical reaction occurs. So N of H2. Here NH2 means number of moles of hydrogen, which are 1. and NO2 number of moles of oxygen is 2 mole. So mole fraction of hydrogen gas is can be represented by this formula: number of moles of hydrogen upon number of moles of hydrogen plus number of moles of oxygen. So it is 1 upon 3, so it's equal to 0.333. Now similarly, mole fraction of oxygen is equal to 2 upon 3. For its formula we will replace NH2 by NO2 for oxygen. So it is equal to 0.667 nearly. Now delta S mix is equal to 2.303 R bracket number of moles of hydrogen log 1 upon mole fraction of hydrogen plus number of moles of oxygen multiply log 1 upon mole fraction of oxygen. Now it's 2.303 multiply R is 8.314 gas constant, its value is constant, and this is 1, and the value of this thing is this. Now number of moles of oxygen is 2 and mole fraction of oxygen is 0.667. So from here we get this value, which is equal to 15.88 joule per Kelvin. So you can say delta S mix generally comes in with SI unit joule per Kelvin. Thank you.